Vikan presents a hygiene revolution.
Vikan has a long history of being at the forefront of hygiene technology and innovation. Through close customer contact and our own internal investigations, we set out to develop a new brushwear technology that improved filament retention and hygienic design.
My name is Jacob Jensen. I'm the quality manager here at GC Marie, and it's my job to make sure the food we produce is safe. That includes making sure the product is free of foreign bodies and bacteria. The cleaning tools we use must be of good quality and easy to clean. They must also meet requirements from food authorities and external auditors. That's why we use the Vikan Ultra Safety Technology, which meets all those requirements.
We set out to develop a brushwear technology that allowed our customers to achieve a level of cleaning that helped them reduce the risk of product rejection, product recall, or food contamination incidents. Resin-set brushes, which are considered the most food-safe option, have hygienic design issues. They're not fully colour-coded. They use epoxy resins that are not recyclable, and these often contain noxious hardeners.
The brief was to create a brush with the optimal filament retention. We used good hygienic design principles to minimize the risk of cross-contamination and thereby maximizing food safety. To do that, we had to re-examine, reinvent and re-engineer everything we knew about brushwear construction.
Using the new UST technology, we developed the filament security unit. This revolutionary invention is at the heart of our UST technology and enables us to provide our customers with the most hygienic brushwear option on the market today. Using these filament security units, we're able to develop a unique filament pattern for each brush type that facilitates optimal cleaning depending on how the brush is used. The spacing between the units has the additional benefit of making them much easier to clean, dry and inspect. And of course, every part of the brush is colour-coded and food contact compliant. Throughout the development of the Ultra Safe technology, we conducted extensive testing to optimise the hygienic design. Additionally, all final products have been validation tested to ensure that they are efficient, durable and of excellent hygienic design. We are therefore certain that Ultra Safe technology will reduce the risk of cross-contamination and improve food safety. Ultra Safe technology is the ultimate food contact compliant solution.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.